What you think about sales impacts how you sell. I want you to really realize that. When I say the word sales, you may want to take a note. What are the first words that come to your mind? If you want to put that in the chat. When you think about sales, what are the first words that come to your mind? I always say Joyce Meyer tells us we can't have a positive life with a negative mindset. Well, you can't have a negative mindset around sales and have positive cash flow. You want to have the right mindset about sales so you grow your sales faster without working harder. So you stop hesitating and procrastinating to do sales activity, whether that's sending out an email, whether that's sending a proposal, whether that's following up. So that you have this confidence. So you showed up boldly in the marketplace, not trying to be perfect, to be authentic and bold, selling your products and services. So we've got to get to the lies around sales that are keeping you stuck and under monetized. And these are what you have to believe to achieve 7 figures, really 6 figures, multi 6 figures, 7 figures and beyond. So the lie is selling is all about me. You know, when you're like, oh my God, I have to be perfect and I have to look a certain way and I've got to say the right things and I've got to say it at the right time and everything has to be perfect. That's a lie. That's a lie that I used to believe when the Lord told me, Althea, you're doing the right work, but you're serving the wrong people. I'm called to teach you in sales and to help your daughters enroll high ticket sales. And I thought selling was all about me because I looked at me and I said, I'm not worthy. I look at other sales coaches. They came from large corporate sales and marketing background, more sales background. I thought I came from accounting. See, I believe the lie that selling is about me. You know, and what's wrong with me? And I don't have this. I'm not enough. I don't have enough. Where the truth is, selling is not about me. That's the truth. Don't make selling about who you are, or what you like about your service or product. I'm going to say this again. Selling is not about what you like about your service and product. Sell to people what they want to buy, not what you want to sell. Oh man, we do this all the time. Oh my God, you're going to love my membership site and you're going to love my work. That's not what they want to buy. Sell what they want to buy. It's not about you. You may think, who wants to buy this? They do. Right? You're like, no one would buy this, right? I used to think this like a certain way. No, this is what they want to buy. It's not about you. Don't sell the features you like to sell. Sell the features they want to buy. So I used to talk a lot about mindset, and people are like, I want the strategy. Now, I know people need the mindset, but I need to sell them the strategy. And once we start working, I'll give them the mindset. You're all excited about their worksheets, the pretty worksheets. And I also have, people don't care about that. That's what you care about because you invested in it. Sell what people want to buy. It's not about you. Make yourself the least important factor. Put your focus and attention on them. Remember, selling is listening. Listen to what they want, how they want to learn, what they want to get. It's not about you. It's not about your credentials and you being a 5 times, 10 times, 20 times best-selling author. Who cares? Make it about them. Don't think about all the money you're going to get and the commission you're going to get. Focus on them, how you're going to help them. And they're going to feel it. They're going to say, oh my gosh, she really cares about me. There's 2 places I want you to focus on. I want you to focus all the way on there. You know why? You know why you're nervous before a sales call? You're like, oh my God, I got to say the right things and I got to think the right things and I got to say the right thing. And you're all focused on yourself. Stop it. Look in the camera on the person on the Zoom. Think of the person on the phone. Put your focus 2 places, to them and to God. And God will help you as you listen to God and what they need to hear. Stop trying to be perfect. Stop being all about yourself. People need to be seen, heard, and understood. See, you're all focused on getting rejected and hearing a no. You're all focused on yourself. Stop it. Selling is not about you. That's the truth. It's not about me. It's not about me. It's not about me. It's about you. It's about the person. That's the first lie. Lie number 2. Selling is a necessary evil. Selling's ungodly. That's a lie. The truth is selling adds value to the world. Selling is good. Have the mindset that when I'm selling, I'm adding value to the world. Let me ask you a question. Are you happy that whoever designed Zoom and sold it to you? I'm happy. I'm happy that I just got an email from Zoom that they're saying, you're going to be rebuilt. I'm happy that Calendly sold me again. They just rebuilt me. I'm happy. It adds value. That's how we are connecting. It brings value to the world. I want you to think about the last thing that you bought and what it made you feel. What are the last things? Because I don't know. Black Friday just happened. I'm going to think about, I was just telling Lacey about this. I just bought this. It comes in green too. I shop everywhere. Okay. There's certain stores I buy things that don't. I bought this and a green one. And I'm so happy about this. Like, it makes me happy. This little clip makes me happy. And for those who know me, they know I love Kate Spade. I'm getting all my Christmas stuff out. I'm so happy. This makes me happy to like use my Christmas mug. And I'm also really happy that Kate Spade sold me this $40 bracelet for my phone. Like, I can do much more when I'm walking, and it's so cute and pretty. Like, it makes me happy. Selling adds emotional value. Think of the favorite thing that you bought and what it makes you feel like. Selling, someone made a decision and had the courage to sell that to give you that emotional value. It also provides new products. See, the person who designed the smartphone gave birth so that we would sell the case. It gave birth to the glass cover. It gave birth to this ringlet. It gave birth to wipes. It gave birth to apps. When you sell, when you create a product or a service, you're actually creating more not only emotional value, more monetary value in related products, in services. Selling is good. Selling is good. It adds value to the world. That's why in Proverbs 11:26, it says, they curse those who hoard their grain, but pray God's blessing on those who are willing to sell. Thank you, Zoom, for allowing us to sell this so we could interact with people around the globe. Thank you, Kate Spade, for selling this to me. It makes me happy around Christmas. Thank you. I got this when I was attending, it's dirty, but Jesus, sweet Jesus. Thank you. I was attending a content VIP in Houston. I forgot. And I love this. I'm just upset that I didn't buy 2. And then I went online on their website and I was like, I was going to buy another one. They missed out on the sale. Thank you for selling this to me. I love my sweet Jesus mug. Lie number 3, selling is manipulative. The truth is, and I have a lot of different things, selling is serving. That's Proverbs 11:26. Selling is serving. Like, do you understand that God has given you gifts to bless other people? That your grain is your lived and learned experiences. The mistakes that you are going to help people not make. Your insights, your knowledge. That's why we should get excited when someone is attempting to sell something to us, especially when they're a man or woman of God. What, you're going to give me insight that I couldn't already have, and you're going to hear this from the heart of the Father? Get excited. Like, I know a lot of people get upset with DMs. I'm always interested to see, what are you selling in my DMs? Now, can be like, I find certain sales things interesting, but like, you might be able to solve a problem. I remember prior to using ClickUp, and I've been using it, Lacey and I've been working together, I think since 2021, I was using Asana, it was awful. And then my VAs were like, you need to use ClickUp. Like, I'm happy that they sold me getting this service. Do you know how much work I get done through other people? Like, I get excited when someone's trying to sell something to me. And you should too. Because if you want people to get excited when you're selling to them, get excited when people are selling to you. And I want you to know that selling is serving. It's not manipulative. It's not cajoling. It's not convincing. It's not ungodly. The Bible just said it's serving. What you do changes people's life, but their lives can't be changed if you're not willing to sell it. Because selling is something you do for someone. Remember the definition, it's having a conversation to understand their needs and wants, so you can sell something that they're already ready and desiring to buy. Selling is what you do for someone. It's not what you do to someone. Let me ask you a question. Have you ever, or I don't know, maybe it's just me, you thought, I'm not enough? That was my biggest struggle when God told me. That's what made me be in disobedience for 7 years. And disobedience causes delay. I caused my own delay. Now, God's going to use a rock, but I also caused other people's delay. Because what was I doing? I was looking at outside of who I thought I wasn't, instead of looking at what God said. I was like the other 10 leaders. God, I'm grasshoppers. I'm not enough. Who said that? God didn't say that. God called me. And God's expecting us. We're gonna have to answer to Jesus. I called you to do this thing. Did you do it or didn't you do it? And why didn't you do it? You didn't do it because you trusted yourself. I thought my word says, trust the Lord with all your heart and lean not to your own understanding. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified when we release a new video. Then click the TV to watch the next video. Go to altheamcintyre.com to get your free training on the 7 biggest sales mistakes that keep you from 7 figures.